This is Teton Spots Junior Sleeping Bag, and it says it's 20 degrees. So let's open the box to see the quality. And the bag looks great. Okay. So this is the sleeping bag. It looks awesome. And I think this is very good for a little boy. And you see the inside. The material is good. And here is the Velcro to kind of like holding the zip. Probably they know that the kids easily can open this one, so just make it tight. Very good design. So the bottom is sealed. It's not open the, you cannot open the bottom. And here is a little pocket. I'm 5'7", so I don't want to go inside because it's junior. So I just want to give you, I want to lay it down. I give you a reference to see how long it is. You see? This is how big it is. The quality is no problem. You see the thickness. It's pretty thick. Let me see if I can fold it up. Usually it's a challenge. All right. Actually, it's not too bad. I can literally put this into the package. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.